The 45-degree angle single-arm dumbbell row on bench is a back exercise that is a slight variation of the traditional single-arm dumbbell row on a flat bench. This incline variation puts the upper body at a higher incline, which may place more emphasis on the upper back muscles, including the upper portion of the lats, rear deltoids, and upper traps. To get started, set an incline bench to a 45-degree angle. Place one knee on the bench with the hand on the same side gripping the upper part of the bench for support. With your opposite hand, grip a dumbbell with an overhand neutral, palms facing in grip. Keeping your back flat and hips square to the floor, row the dumbbell to the side of your waist, focusing on driving your elbow towards the ceiling. Your body should be locked down, with the only movement coming from the arm. Pause at the top of the row to feel a good contraction, then under control, slowly lower the dumbbell back down as you fully extend your arm to feel a good stretch in your back without letting the dumbbell touch the floor. Repeat all the reps on one side, then switch arms and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.